Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On & Company. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day, Wednesday, March 15th here. So you had mixed trade into these grain markets. Corn actually up about a penny or two. And then you just haven't got a lot of activity here in corn market. Was in a 4-cent range yesterday, kind of that same situation today. Wheat market, though, had some solid strength off some demand that popped up. And so you're actually anywhere from 6 to 9 cents higher across the board in the wheat markets. And then actually soybeans, the one lower leg of the markets for grains. So actually only down about a penny, but it was up 3, and you just failed after midday. You got a little bit of an unfriendly notebook crush report, and so that was enough to bring some sellers back to the market. Second day, you've seen that May contract close below $10. Could signal a move to the next support line, which is 981, so it's not that far away. You're still stuck in a tight range trade in these markets until you really find some reason to break out of it, either to the top side or downside. Just like the wheat market, with corn's pullback, you actually are finding some demand built into this market. It sounded like rumors of China actually coming here and getting some corn from the U.S. They have not done that in 2 years, so we'll see if that pans itself out. But overall, these prices have gotten a pullback, and that actually makes our grains more affordable for other countries here. Into the meat markets, you had some online action today. 124 live to 201.5 dressed. It was light. It was in Kansas. It's very similar to the bottom end of the range here of last week, but futures were able to rally off of that, up about $1 in both live cattle, feeder cattle after some negativity yesterday. Hog market slightly lower. Those outside movers, or outside markets, the biggest movers this week. So what you had was Janet Yellen, so Federal Reserve, came out and they chose to raise interest rates here to a range of 0.75% to 1%. That was expected into this market. They said that they're going to stick with their plan to have 3 rate increases this year. So it was pretty much expected, but still got the outside markets moving quite a bit. Dow actually up hard over 100 points. Crude market up over $1. And then the US dollar really tanked after that came out, down about 80 to 90 cents there. And we'll see if this is some follow-through trade. Did say that their look on the economy is improving, and that they should see those rate increases coming throughout this year, just like they had been planning here prior. Besides that, really waiting for export sales here tomorrow. That should offer some information as well. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.